Eight scientists built a paradise to prove humans could live anywhere in the universe. They had everything they need to grow food, breathe clean air, and survive. On paper, the plan was perfect, but nature does not follow a script.
In the middle of the Arizona desert, under a 3.14-acre glass dome, 8 scientists entered a world they built with their own hands. The year was 1991. The mission was simple: survive for 2 years inside a miniature Earth, sealed from the outside world, complete with a rainforest, an ocean, a desert, and farmland. They would grow their own food, recycle their own water, and manage their own atmosphere. It was supposed to be the future of space colonization. It became the most dangerous psychological experiment ever conducted. The moment the doors were sealed, the scientists understood. There was no exit. No emergency button. No way out. They were 8 people isolated in a glass cage, with cameras monitoring every movement, and an endless supply of critics outside waiting for them to fail. Within a few months, the unthinkable happened. The oxygen levels inside Biosphere 2 began to drop. Not gradually, alarmingly. The concrete walls, still curing, were absorbing carbon dioxide in ways no one had anticipated. The soil was consuming oxygen faster than the plants could produce it. By the winter, oxygen levels had dropped below 16%, the equivalent of living at an altitude of 4,500 meters. The crew began to experience chronic fatigue, sleep apnea, and cognitive decline. They could no longer think clearly. They could no longer make decisions. The scientists were dying, slowly, invisibly, and in plain sight. The oxygen crisis was only the beginning. The crops they had planted failed. The soil was too poor. The insects too many. Within months, they were surviving on less than 1,500 calories a day, a starvation diet. The ecosystem they had created was too fragile. Without natural predators, the populations of ants and cockroaches exploded. The insects devoured the crops, spread through the living quarters, and created an environment of constant, unending stress. As the food ran out and the oxygen thinned, the scientists began to fracture into factions. They became suspicious of each other. They began to hoard food. They accused one another of sabotage. One crew member later described the moment the group split. It felt like we were living in a fever dream. Every conversation was charged. Every word had a hidden meaning. When the doors were finally opened in September 1993, the mission was declared a failure. The experiment had lasted 777 days, but the crew had not survived intact. They had fractured, starved, and nearly suffocated. Biosphere 2 was a monument to human ambition and a warning about human fragility.